Hey everyone, it's Fudenosuke here, and I am here setting up for the last week of November, which is November 26th through December 2nd. So basically what I have decided to do is kind of a purge of my mind the last couple of days because I had a pretty rough week this past week with just getting bogged down with a bunch of stuff, prepping for the Black Friday through Cyber Monday sales and all that kind of stuff. So mentally I was not the best last week. So essentially what I did is I gave up. On Tuesday, I took the day off kind of for my mental health, and then I decided to make these two spreads, everything that's on my mind. This isn't everything that's on my mind, but every time that I start thinking about more things that I need to jot down, it goes on this list. And it's kind of split up into 3 columns for work, for business, and for home. And then I did a must avoid burnout spread. This is on my Instagram at Designs if you want to take a look at that more closely. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a step back again this week, make sure that I'm not overdoing myself. And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my tried and true spread whenever I'm like sick and not feeling so great. I'm going to do this type of spread, which is a running task list. And then I'm just going to continually refer back to this task list when I am trying to figure out what day I'm doing what thing on. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up, and I will see you on the other side to explain a little bit more. Alright, so that's it for this week. So basically what I've done is I added this black paper, which is from Canson. I got this at Michael's on sale. And so when I just wanted to kind of tie it back to my monthly pages a little bit more. So I decided to incorporate the black sheet, especially because I didn't think I would have enough tasks for 2 different pages. So I decided to add this with the little treble clef as the T to mark for this week and what the week was. And then I have my categories labeled over here. For this spread, business is blue, gray is home, and black is work. And then so the little category over here, that's what's going to help me keep track of how many tasks I have in each aspect of my life. So I have shown you kind of how this is going to work. So I have my Cyber Monday sale, which by the way is 20% off right now through the end of the day on Cyber Monday, if you guys are watching this. And there's no coupon code needed. It's just everything in my shop is 20% off. So, and then I have my post weekly YouTube video. And since I do this on multiple days of the week, it might not be my like weekly YouTube video, but I'm gonna interpret it a little bit differently. So I post videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So instead of having 3 different tasks for that item, I'm going to put it on 3 different days, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, for example, I do an inbox 0 every day that I work. So I'm going to put my work category, and then on Monday through Thursday, I am going to have boxes for inbox 0. And if I get it done that day, I mark it off. So I hope that kind of helps you figure out how this type of list works. It basically just allows you to assign one task for multiple days. And since I'm working on a lot of big projects, I thought that would be especially helpful for me this week, especially when I'm just kind of purging my mind. And so I'll just continually refer back to this while I'm working over here as well, where I can just put a whole brain dump everything over here and then assign the task for certain days here. So that's how I plan on using this spread. I know it's a little bit simple, but that's how I'm going to do it. And then I am also going to set up, if you didn't see my Friday video, I have my holiday shopping and shopping checklist for who I'm shopping for and for the Black Friday through Cyber Monday shopping over here. And now I'm going to set up my November review. Alright, so there is my November review. So basically what I've done, as per usual, I will flip back to the month before for my review. I will look at the end number, fill that in for the start, and then grab the figure for the end of the month. So on November 30th, I will figure out how many followers I have on Instagram and then put that there and then calculate the difference. And then I left a little bit of space down here to talk about what I did right, what I did wrong, all that kind of stuff. Over here, maybe what posts were very popular, what videos were very popular, things like that. And then I have a little bit of a November highlights over here where I can just like doodle in some highlights from the month. So that is it. That is it. So go ahead, check out this video from Friday where I did my holiday shopping. Here is my weekly, and then here is my November in review. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And I will see you next time. Have a great one, everyone.